ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार my dear friends, this is video number 6 on Adi Shankaracharya's holy book अप्रोक्षा अनुभूति और सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन. Video number 6 starts with stanza number 64. So stanza number 64. घटनामना यथा पृथ्वी पटनामना हि तंतव्यः जगन्नामना चिदा भाति गेयं तदद्भावतः. Yatha, just as Prithvi, earth, Ghatanamana, under the name of a jar, Tantvaha, threads, he verily, Patanamana, under the name of a cloth, Abhanti, appear, Tatha, so, Chit, Atma, Jagannamana, under the name of the universe, Abhati, appears, Tadbhavate, by negating those names, Tat, that Brahma, Gayam, is to be known. Just as it is earth that appears under the name of a jar, or it is threads that appear under the name of a cloth, so it is Atma that appears under the name of the universe. This Atma is to be known by negating the names. The Atma is to be known, etc. The knowledge of Atma means only the removal of names and forms that are superimposed upon it through ignorance. Stanza number 65. सर्वो अपि व्यवहारस्तु ब्रह्मणा क्रियते जनैः अज्ञानान् विजानन्ति मृदेभिः घटादिकम्. Janai, by people, Sarvah, all api, also Vyavahara, dealing Brahmana, in and through Brahma, Kriyate, is performed to, but Agyanat, through ignorance, Mirtah, Arthe, evam, alone, he verily, Ghatadikam, the jars and other earthwares, iti, this, nay, not, Vijananti, no, Jana, persons. People perform all their actions in and through Brahma, but on account of ignorance they are not aware of that. Just as through ignorance persons do not know that jars and other earthwares are nothing but earth. Just as through ignorance, etc., in all our dealings with various earthwares we are actually dealing with earth. As by no manner of means can earth be separated from earthwares, so in all our intercourse with the world we are in fact dealing with Brahma, which is non-separable from the world. Stanza number 66. Karya karanta nitma aste ghat mirdyo vyatha tathai shruti yuktin dhyam parpanch brahmanorihi. Yatha, just as a ghat mirdo between a jar and earth, karya karanta, the relation of effect and cause, nityam ever aste exist, tathaiv so, parpanch brahmano, between the phenomenon world and Brahma, Shruti Yukti Dhyam, on the strength of scriptural text and reasoning here, Sapardipadita, that is established. Just as there ever exists the relation of cause and effect between earth and jar, so does the same relation exist between the Brahma and the phenomenal world. This has been established here on the strength of scriptural text and reasoning. So does the same relation, etc. The same relation of cause and effect exists between Brahma and the world, but as the effect can never be shown to be separate from the cause, This relation only means their non-difference. The Shruti also declares all this is identical with that. That is Satya or Brahman. This is from Chandogya Upanishad. All this is verily Brahma, Chandogya Upanishad. Stanza number 67. Grahmane घटे यद्वन्ति नर्तिका याति वै बलात् वीक्ष्माणे प्रपञ्चेऽपि ब्रह्मैव अभाति भासुरम्. Yadvat, just as ghate grahyamane when a jar is perceived nirtika arthvai expletive blat perforce ayati accompanies tatha so api also perpanch vikshmane when the phenomenal world is seen bhasuram shining brahmaiv brahmalon abhati flashes. Stanza 6. Just as the consciousness of earth forces itself upon our mind while thinking of a jar, so also does the idea of ever shining Brahma flash on us while contemplating on the phenomenal world. So also does flash on us, etc. in some rare moment while we think very deeply about the evanescent nature of this world. We become almost intuitively aware of Brahma, the permanent entity behind these changing phenomena. For change necessarily implies something that is unchanging. Stanza 68. Sadeva Atma Visuddho Asti Hayeshuddho Bhati Vai Sada Yathaiv Divividha Rajju Jnanini Nisham. Atma Sadaiv ever Vishuddha pure Asti is he verily Vai. Expletive Sada always, Ashuddha impure Bhati appears Yathav just as Rajju a rope, Anisham always Jnaninah to a wise man, Ajnaninah to an ignorant man, Dividha in two different ways Bhati appears. Atma, though ever pure to a wise man, always appear to be impure to an ignorant one, just as a rope always appears in two different ways to a knowing person and an ignorant one. Pure, that is without any modification, such as the body, in two different ways as a rope and as a snake. Stanza number 69. Yathav Niranmeh Kumbh Sataddev Ho Api Chinmayi Atma Anatma Vibhagyo Ayam Muddhaiv Karyate Buddhai. Yathav, just as a kumbh a jar, Niranmay made of earth, Tadvat, so they have the body, Api also Chinmay, all consciousness, Abuddhai, by the ignorant, Ayam this Atma. Anatam Vibhaga, the division into the self and non-self, Muddhaiv in vain Kriyate is made. Just as a jar is all earth, so also is the body all consciousness. The division, therefore, into the self and non-self is made by the ignorant to no purpose. The division to no purpose. The dualists erroneously think that the body and Atma are two separate entities independent of each other. This, however, does them no good, as it deprives them of the realization of the non-dual Atma, which is the Sammam Bonam. Stanza number 70. Sratataven yatha rajjo rajataven shuktika vinirnita vimudhen dehavtaven yatha tamta. Yatha, just as Rajju a Sarptaven as a snake, Shuktika a necre, Rajatvain as a piece of silver, Kalpita is a legend, Tatha so Atamta, the nature of Atma, Vimudhen by an ignorant person, Dehatven as the body we Nirnata is determined just as a rope is imagined to be a snake and a necre to be a piece of silver, so is the Atma determined to be the body by an ignorant person, by a rank materialist who declares the body or matter to be the ultimate reality and denies the existence of the Atma from the body. How this erroneous knowledge arises out of a confusion between the real and the apparent is illustrated in stanza 70 to 74. Stanza number 71. घटतवेन यथा पृथ्वी पटतवेन वितंतव्य विनिर्णिता विमूढ़ेन देहत्वेन यथा तमता. Yatha, just as a prithvi, earth, ghattaven as a jar, tantve threads, pattaven as a cloth, and expletive, tatha so, etc. Just as earth is thought of as a jar made of it and threads as a cloth, so is Atma, etc. Stanza 72. Kankam kundal taven trang taven vaijalam vinirnita vimudhen dehatven yathatamta. Kankam gold kundal taven as an earring, jalam water were expletives, trang taven as waves, and so tatha so etc. Just as gold is thought of as an earring and water as waves, so is the Atma, etc. Stanza number 73. Pristhaven vai sthano jalatvain mrichika vinirnita vimudhen dehatvain yathatamta. Sathano, the stump of a tree, Pristhaven as a human figure, vai expletive, marichika a mirage, Jaltaven as water, yatha, so, etc. Just as the stump of a tree is mistaken for a human figure and a mirage for water, so is the Atman, etc. Stanza 74. Grihatve naiv kasthani khangtave nai lohata vinirnita vimudhen dehtaven yathatamta. Kasthani, a quantity of wood, Grihatven as a house, evam expletive lohata iron, khagtaven as a sword, evam expletive tatha so, etc. Just as a mass of woodwork is thought of as a house and iron as a sword, so is the Atma, etc. Stanza 70 and 73 are illustrative of a set of false knowledge due to an error of judgment, whereas the other three stanzas deal only with imperfect knowledge in which forms are made much of in disregard of substance, which is the reality behind them. Stanza 75. तथा वृक्ष विपर्यासो जलात् भवति कस्यचित् तद आत्मनि देहत्वं पश्य ज्ञान योगतः. Yatha, just as jalat on account of water, kasyachit to someone. Vriksha viparyas, the illusion of a tree, bhavati arises, tadvata, so jiva, an individual soul, agyan yogatah, through the touch of ignorance, atmani, in atman dehetvam, the physical form, pashyati sees. Just as one sees the illusion of a tree on account of water, so does a person on account of ignorance see Atma as the body. Illusion, etc. The tree is not in the water, it is only a reflection due to water that the person sees. How ignorance makes one think of ever pure Atma as appearing in material forms is described in stanza 75 to 86 through various illustrations culled from everyday experience. Stanza number 76. Putin gacchate pansah sarvam bhati vah chanchalam tadav atmani dehetvam pashya gyan yogatah. Putin, by boat, Gachate going punse to a person, sarvam everything chanchalam moving, eve as if bhati appears tadav so etc. Just as to a person going in a boat everything appears to be in motion, so does one etc. पीतत्वं हि यथा शुभ्रे दोषात् भवति कस्यचित् तद् आत्मनि देहत्वं पश्यत्यज्ञानयोगतः यथा just as kasyachit to one dosat owing to a defect subre in a white thing pitavam yellowness he verily bhavati appears tadvat so just as to a person suffering from a defect jaundice white things appear as yellow so does one etc. चक्षुभ्यां भ्रमशिलाभ्यां सर्वं भाति भ्रमात्मकं तद्वात्मनि देहत्वं पश्यत ज्ञानयोगतः भ्रमशिलाभ्यां apt to see wrongly चक्षुभ्यां through eyes सर्वं everything भ्रमात्मकं defective भाति appears tadvat so etc. Just as to a person with the defective eyes everything appears to be defective, so does one etc. Stanza number 79. Alatam bhram ananaivi vartulam bhati suryavata tadu atmani dehetvam pashyat jnana yogata hai. Alatam he firebrand brahmane nevahi through near rotation suryavata like the sun Vartalam round bhati appears tadvata so etc. Just as a firebrand through near rotation appears circular like the sun, so does one etc. Stanza number 80. महत्वे सर्ववस्तुना मनुत्वं hirti दूरतः तद्वै तद्वतात्मनि देहत्वं पश्यत ज्ञान योगतः सर्ववस्तूनाम of all things महत्वे अपि in spite of largeness अति दूरतः owing to a great distance अनुत्वं minuteness he indeed bhati appears तद्वत् so just as all things that are really large appear to be very small owing to great distance, so does one, etc. Stanza 81. Suksam tave sarva bhavanam sathulam chupanetratah तद्वात्मनि देहत्वं पश्यत ज्ञान योगतः सर्व भावानाम of all objects सूक्ष्म तपे अपि in spite of minuteness उपनेत्रतः through lenses सथूलत्वं grossness bhavati appears तद्वत् so just as all objects that are very small appear to be large when viewed through lenses so does one etc. Stanza number 82. काच बहुमौ जल त्वं वा जल भूमौ हि काच का काच बहुमौ जल त्वं भूल जोम भूमि हि काचता तद्वात्मनि देहत्वं पश्यत ज्ञान योगतः काच bhumu in a surface of glass jal tuam the state of water jal bhumu in a surface of water va or he expletive kachata the state of glass bhati appeared tadvata so just as a surface of glass is mistaken for water or vice versa so does one etc. Stanza number 83. Yat davgano manitvam hi mano va vahita puman तद्वात्मनि देहत्वं पश्यत ज्ञान योग्यतः यद्वत् just as puman a person agnav in fire manitva the state of being a jewel he expletive va or mano in a jewel vahita the state of fire pashyati sees tadvat so just as a person imagines a jewel in fire or vice versa so does one etc. Stanza 84. Abresu satsu dhavatsu somo dhavati bhati vai tadvatmani dehetvam pashyat jnana yogyatah Abhresu dhavatsu satsu. While clouds move, so meh the moon vai expletive dhavati is moving iti thus bhati appears tadvat etc. Just as when clouds move, the moon appears to be in motion, so does one, etc. Stanza number 85. यथैव दिग्वपर्यासो मोहादवति कस्यचित् तदव आत्मनि देहत्वं पश्यत ज्ञान योग्यता है. Yathav, just as mohat through confusion, kasyachit of one digvir prayas mistake about different directions bhavati arises, tadvat so. Just as a person through confusion loses all distinction between the different points of the compass, so does one, etc. Stanza number 86. Yatha sasi jale bhati चंचल तवेन कस्यचित् तदव आत्मनि देहत्वं पश्यत ज्ञान योग्यता है. यथा just as Sasi the moon jalai in water, chanchal taven as unsteady kasyachit to one bhati appears, tadvat so etc. Just as the moon when reflected in water appears to one as unsteady, so does one etc. Just as etc. It is the reflection which is unsteady, not the moon. Stanza number 87. एवं आत्म अन्विदातो देहाध्यासो हि जायते स एव आत्म प्रज्ञान लीयते च परमात्मनि. Evam thus avidyat through ignorance atmani in atma dedhyas the delusion of the body he verily jayate arises sa evam that very delusion cha again atam prajnanat through the realization of atma pratmani in the supreme atma liyate disappears. Thus, through ignorance arises in Atman the delusion of the body, which again, through self-realization, disappears in the Supreme Atma. The delusion of the body, the delusion of matter in general, in fact, matter is but a concoction of our mind and therefore has no real existence, which again disappears in the Supreme Atma when one realizes that Atma alone is and nothing else exists. Ignorance with all its effects such as the delusion of the body and the like ceases to exist forever. Stanza 88. Sarv atam taya gyatam jagat sathavar jangam abhavat sarv bhavana nam dehasya chatam takutah. Yadavan sathavar jangam immovable and movable sarvam whole jagat the universe atam taya as atma gyatam bhavati is known. Tada then sarva bhavanam of all objects abhavat in consequence of a negation dehasya of the body che expletive kutah veratam ta appearance as atma. Stanza number. When the whole universe movable and immovable is known to be Atma and thus the existence of everything else is negated, where is then any room to say that the body is Atma? Where is then any room, etc.? So long as a person is in ignorance, he confounds the body with Atma. But with the dawn of knowledge, when everything melts away and only the non-dual Atma remains, there is hardly any room for one to see the body at all, much less to declare it to be Atma. Stanza number 89. Atmanam satatam janan kalam ne mahadhyute prarabdha akhilam bhujan davegam kurtu maharsi. Bho mahadhyute, O thou of great illumination, Atmanam, Atma, Satatam, ever, Janan, contemplation, Akhilam, all prarabdha, the prarabdha, Bhujan, experiencing, Kalam, time, ne, pass, Udveg, worry, Kartum, to feel, ne, not, Aharsi, observe. O enlightened one, pass your time always contemplating on Atma while you are experiencing all the results of prarabdha, for it will become you to feel distressed. Prarabdha, according to the karma theory, prarabdha is the part of our past actions which, through their cumulative force, has given birth to this body. It will become you, etc. Because one who ever dwells on Atma is already free and above all sorrows, and though he lives and moves like ordinary mortals, he knows it for certain that none of his acts has any binding force upon him. There are two other sets of actions known as Sanchit karma, or those of our past actions which are still observed, reserved to give birth to future bodies, and Kriyaman karma, or actions that are being done in this life. Stanza 90. उत्पन्नेऽप्य आत्मविज्ञाने प्रारब्धं नैव मुच्यते इति इच्छूयते शास्त्रे तन्निराक्रियते धुना. Atma-Vijnane, the knowledge of Atma, Utpanne, after the origination of Api, even Prarabdham, Prarabdha Janam, a person may not muchati leave and verily. Iti thus yat which Shastre in the scripture Ishruyate is heard that Adhuna now Nirakriyate is being refuted. The theory one hears of from the scripture that prarabdha does not lose its hold upon one even after the origination of the knowledge of Atma is now being refuted. From the scripture, from such scriptural text as the about delay in his case is only so long as he is not released from the body, then he will attain to Brahma. This is from Chandogya Upanishad. Prarabdha does not lose its hold, etc. The Shruti in many places has declared that even a jnani is not free from the operation of Prarabdha. Sankara has dealt with this point at length in his commentaries on Chandogya Upanishad and Vedanta Sutras and Gita. In all those places, he has supported the popular view that Prarabdha is binding on even the Jnani, but here as well as in Vivek Chudamani, stanza 453 to 463, he has boldly asserted the true Vedantic view without any compromise. He has clearly shown that to a jnani there is no such thing as the body, and it is meaningless to say that he is any longer under the influence of prarabdha, which has no hold upon the bodiless Atma. The author brings in his arguments in support of this view in stanza 91 and 92. So I end video number 6 here, and video number 7 will start with stanza number 91. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Please like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot. Namaskar. Cookie.